To get started, I have a simple project open that has a couple text layers and a background image layer. If your background image layer is locked like mine, first, you'll need to click the lock to unlock it. Now that it's unlocked, double-click on that layer in the empty space away from the text label. In the Layer Style pop-up, select the Stroke option to add a stroke to your image. To make the stroke visible, change the position to inside. Now that it's visible, use a size slider to adjust how thick the border is. By clicking the color box, you can change the color of your border. Also mind a white to make it stand out more. If you want to get fancier, you can change the fill type to a gradient of your choice, or you can change the fill type to a pattern. Photoshop has a few built-in gradients and patterns, but there's a lot more that you can download online off various preset sites. But I'm going to keep things basic and change my fill. Type back to color. Once you're satisfied with your border, click OK to confirm the change. Okay, this looks good, but remember that if you need to edit the stroke again, you can simply double-click your background layer like before, and go over the stroke to make additional changes. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.